Hey everybody, we're going to get into science for today. So you're going to need your workbook and you're going to need to open it to page 178. I'm going to have the substitute pause here so everybody can get out their workbook, page 178. All right, so we're going to begin our second lesson in chapter 3 of science, and the title is How Do Organisms Use Matter and Energy? So we've learned already about how plants take in sunlight, water, and air, and carbon dioxide essentially, to create their own food. And that is the matter that they need to live, to grow, to survive. So just like plants take in matter, humans and animals also take in matter in the form of energy as well. So we're going to get to explore some animal instances of growth and maybe regrowth and repairing, as well as staying alive using the matter around them. So as you see on page 178, we have a monarch butterfly that changes throughout its lifetime. What does this butterfly need from its environment to change and develop? So we've got to take a look in this chapter about what type of creatures we have on Earth and how they grow and change and use matter and energy to do so. Some living things like us, we all need food, water, and air to survive. So do these butterflies, and so do any other creature that you can really think of. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how organisms use matter and energy obtained through their environments. Okay, so there was nothing to do on this page, so let's go down to page 179. So here we have a frog. But I need you to know that a frog starts out as an egg. It will hatch into a legless larva first that will live in the water. It will swim with its tail and breathe with its gills. As it grows, legs develop, the tail is absorbed through its body, and it gradually loses its gills. Eventually, a frog is able to live and breathe on land. I'm going to pause my Cami right there, and I'm going to take you into a short video of this Can You Explain It on page 179. As you know, they're often short videos, so we'll only take a minute to do so, but we're going to get a chance to look at what we see in front of us on page 179. And then we're going to answer the only question today, which is number 1 in our workbook. And I will guide you through that. All right, I'm just waiting for the video to load. Here we go.
The frog starts out as an egg. It then hatches into a legless larva that lives in water. It swims with a tail and breathes with gills. As it grows, legs develop. The tail is absorbed by its body, and it gradually loses its gills. Eventually, the frog is able to live and breathe on land.
Okay. As I said, it was a short video, but a good illustration of what we see on page 179. So we're going to take a look at the question, and then I'm going to ask the substitute to pause, and you guys will have time to think, and then we'll come back together and write in answer number 1. What is the frog made of? Remember, everything is made of something. How do you think it gets the raw materials that make its body and fuel its activities? So the substitute can pause here, and then I'll be back with a second video. Unfortunately, I only have 21 seconds left on this video. So take a moment, think about what is this frog made of, and think about what does it need to take in to fuel its body and its activities.